Nihiho Wiwin Pisum Kawastik. My government name is Kensie Cardinal, and my spirit name is Pisum Kawastik, meaning sun rays. My dad is Northern Cree. I'm Northern Cree. He's a residential school survivor, and he's also the regional national elder. I was also thinking of Chani and how he was Anishinaabe, so this is also, I found that out and I was like, wow, this is like all connecting, and it was really, really cool. The song I chose to sing is the Algonquin Water Song. It was been gifted by the Algonquin grandmothers to the next generation, especially women. I'm Northern Cree and I'm from Treaty 8, and so it was a real honor to sing the song today. I chose the song because it's been with me for many milestones in my life. It's part of me. I thought it would be fitting to choose it because we were uniting as a school, and we unite through water, and we have water right at our doorstep pretty much, so yeah.
And if you know the song and would like to sing along, please do so. And if you don't know the song, just continue holding space and ask them to.
It was really cool watching the entire school walk in counterclockwise direction, and the traditional way that you don't realize how big the student body is until you see it, and it's like, whoa. Last year, my grade 10 year, I questioned, we unite for Remembrance Day, Terry Fox, Winterfest, Ceremony of Excellence, but we don't unite for Truth and Reconciliation. And and Truth and Reconciliation isn't just happening on one day, September 30th, it's happening every day. We just acknowledge it on September 30th as a nation. The vision was to kind of break that silence. That era of silence is over. It's time to take action, and change can happen when we come together and also individually, and so it's just been a beautiful process. And yeah, it was a very emotional time, and yeah, I was really, really impressed with the drummers as well. Like, that was spot on. Been a beautiful process, and I can't thank everyone enough for helping this vision become reality.